gentle, Grayson. Be gentle. Be gentle. Come over here. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle with Marley. Careful. Gentle. Be gentle. Come over here. Give him a back rub. He wants you to rub his tummy. Easy. Be easy. Come over here. Come over here. Gray. Come over here. Get on Marley. Give him a back rub. You don't want to? Are you going to rub his hiney? Oh, nice, Marley.